everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited, guys, to share with you tips and tricks of how to shop for less. And I am talking about the Mercatalyst platform. So Mercatalyst, it's a warehouse with millions of dollars worth of discounted retail items and products. They are consistently providing users with the best of the web pricing for the most wanted products out there. And right now I am gonna review here the MorningSave.com platform, which this platform owned by the Mercatalyst, and this platform is telling you the most wanted, highest quality products for way less. You can find discounts for like 70% off, 80% off, 60% off, 50% off on really high quality type of products. So guys, today I've got a few products from MorningSave and I'm going to review them briefly here just to show you an example of what type of products you can get. By the way, guys, by signing up to the MorningSave monthly membership on the morningsave.com, you can get free shipping. Guys, I will definitely highly recommend you the morningsave.com as a great website for discounted gift products, as well as products for your own self-use. You can find tons of gift ideas on this website, and as I said before, these are all high quality products, not Temu quality products, but high quality products for Temu prices. Guys, let's get started with their review. Well, guys, let's get started with the products that I've received. So I've got 3 products, and let's get started with the fan. So this is a sharper image by Vornado Spin 10 oscillating desktop fan. This one is ideal for any type of working environment like offices or your bedroom or nightstands or any other like spaces. It is providing a convenient cooling solution, and it works absolutely great, as well as it looks so luxurious. I really love the back look of this fan because it has this like luxurious type of a handle at the back, and it's just in general gives like high-end vibes. I love this fan. It works absolutely amazing for me. So it gives a powerful airflow without disturbing noise. So it's a very extra quiet one. So it's perfect for working without disturbing you with the noise of the fan, or for sleeping environments. So even if you are a sensitive sleeper, you won't be able to hear this fan because it's extra quiet. It has a 10-inch blade span, which is delivering a strong and consistent air circulation at the space you are located at. So it is going to keep you cool and comfortable all the time. It has an adjustable tilt, so it's truly easy to direct the airflow of this fan, anywhere from side to side, because it's also rotating, or from very low to the very upper one. So it can even like fan into your ceiling direction. So like this is how far it goes. So you have really a lot of freedom to personalize the cooling at the way that will work the best for you. By the way, talking about how customizable this fan is, it has 3 different speeds to choose from, and it has a touch-sensitive controls buttons at the front of the fan. So it's easy to switch between the speeds. It goes anywhere from low, medium, and high, and the high one is truly high. Like, really love the 3-speed options. Speeds, it's always good to have. And the touch buttons are truly great details. Like, they are touch buttons, they aren't stick out, and they look absolutely stylish and iconic. This fan works on an energy efficient DC motor, so it's extra powerful, and it provides a wide area of coverage with 110 degrees of oscillation. It's sleek and stylish, and I absolutely sure that it will be able to complete any type of a decor. I love this fan. This one can be taken outdoors as well. It's not made for outdoors. It's not a wireless one. It has wire, so you have to use this one outdoors with a power station, and this is what I did. This one is small in size, compact, but yet extra powerful, as well as it's a lightweight, so it's very easy to move this one from room to room, from place to place. And as I said before, guys, I even use this one outdoors at a camping scene. Now guys, let's move on to my second product, and it is this Born long sleeve notch collar pajama set. So this set is combines a comfort with a classic style. This pajama set is extra cozy. It feels absolutely great to the touch, feels amazing on the body, super comfy, super cozy, just truly makes you want to cuddle and sleep. And the sleeping experience wearing these pajamas is absolutely great. It has the long sleeves, so it's great for the fall, spring, or winter season, and maybe for summer. Of course, depends where do you live, like maybe you're in Alaska, I don't know. Well, I love the long sleeve, and the long sleeve actually, like, adding adding an extra comfort. It comes with a notch collar and with a matching bottoms. And by the way, you can control the size of your bottoms with a wire. So this set is perfect for lounging or sleeping in style, or even doing some housework around your house like I'm doing right now, vacuuming my carpets. It's made from a soft, breathable fabric, and the material it's made of is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. It feels truly extra smooth to the touch of your hands and to the touch of your skin. It offers both warmth and comfort, and it's making it a go-to choice for relaxed everyday wear. Absolutely love these pajamas. It looks gorgeous and stylish, and it feels absolutely great. And the last product is gonna be this Purin Pro LED Teeth Whitening Kit with LED light. So these are extra trending right now, and for many years, I think it's trending for at least 10 years now, so everyone is using this whitening kit. So this is the nation's leading professional level teeth whitening kit with patented Pro Plus LED light that it comes with. So going to a dentist and getting a teeth whitening, it's extra expensive. It's like a few $1,000s, as well as it's gonna waste your time, your gas, your mileage, and way more things. So why going to dentist, wasting your valuable time, paying thousands of dollars for whitening your teeth if you can do it home by yourself with this whitening kit by Purin Pro? This kit is paired with a new generation Pro Plus teeth whitening accelerator light and with an advanced strength of 35% teeth whitening gel brightens and whitens with no any type of a discomfort. I have an extra sensitive teeth, guys, and I was able to use this kit to whiten my teeth, and I had no anytime, and I felt zero discomfort or pain on my teeth. So Purin Pro formulas are proven by fast and effective results, and you can see results from the first use. So it's easy to achieve a bright and white smile in just a few days with this kit. Guys, I will highly recommend you to check it all out. I'll leave you all of the links in MorningSave. It's an amazing platform to get the best high-end products with a great, crazy discounts. Well, guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. All of the links for Mercatalyst, for the MorningSave.com, to all of the products that I reviewed here today, as well as any possible way to save some money of yours, all the information gonna be found down below at the description box to this video of mine. So you're so very welcome to go check it all out. Once again, high quality products at the very, very much discounted prices. So guys, be so very sure to check MorningSave.com out. All of possible coupon codes, discount codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours, everything gonna be listed down below at the description to this video of mine. So be so very sure to check it all out. Yes, girl. Well, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.